parents. I'm Reza, this is my car. I wanted to stay in my car tonight. It's so cold. I try to have a good time, make a tea, make a coffee, make a food, have a guitar playing or a game playing, and sleeping in this and so my live and try to have a good time with you. Please subscribe and follow. Thanks. Let's go. Put this for the and mix with this. And then in this coffee and put it in this. And cover my cup. Best experience for me in the cold snow is a hot tea. It's so good. I really want this in this cold weather. Just so good. So give it back and this is solving me in tonight. for me. Um, Thanks to watch me, and please subscribe and no. Good friends, I love you. My good friends, I love you, and this is the first car camping for me. Please subscribe and follow me to be better and better and better and make a better video camping. Thanks.